Greetings and salutations and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be opening two 2025 Donruss Optic Mega Boxes. We're going to be looking for uptowns, downtowns, hot rookies. Let's just get right into it. Put one back there. Alright, we get 6 packs, 7 cards per pack. Let's see what we can find. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Hope everyone's enjoying the Super Bowl. I hope at the time this goes live, the Patriots will be on their way to winning the Super Bowl. We'll see. Should be a good game. Alright, Luther Burden. Will Howard. Tet. It's a nice one. Eli. Steven Jackson. Jaden Reed. Fred Warner. Giddens. Carson. Max Crosby. Herbert. Ayuk. Zerline. And McConkey. Nolan. Warren, that's nice. Genty, blue, that's nice. Bijan, Doug Williams, Algier, and Holt. Oh, that's super thick. We'll save that one. That's going to be the jersey card. Hunter. Cam Miller. Penix, Nakua, Adunze, Russell, and Kamara. Gordon, Steven Jackson, Silver, Sutton, Testaverde, Tony Dorsett, AJ Brown, and Aaron Rodgers. Alright, last pack. Super thick. Royals, Williams, Cam Ward, man. That's nice. Sawyer, blue, Ridley, Likely, and Khalil Mack. All right, that's it for box 1. Let's get into box 2. If I could grab it, that'd be great. There we go. There. Move those up there. Put those there. All right, here we go. Cam Ward, nice. Jenkins, Pat Bryant, Connor, Cup, Leggett, and Stevenson. Hunter, getting some nice rookies here to start this box. Stewart, Captain in Charge, Jalen Hurts, Waddle, McCaffrey, Kuechly, Ramsey. Tesla, Nick, Daniels, McLaurin, best tutties. Inserts we'll put over there. Love, Kelsey, TJ Watt, and Dickerson. Oh, that's the thick one. We'll save that one till the end. Beck, Jackson Dart blue, very nice. Judy, Nico, Godwin, Williams, and Burrow. The silver, Tank, Victor Cruz, Buddha, Njoku, Downs. All right, last pack. Let's see what our mem card is. DK, Loop. It is Hampton. First year fresh. It's a nice card. Put it there. Tez blue, Diggs, Culpepper, and Calvin Johnson. All right, so no uptown, downtown, but still some nice cards. A little quick recap as the other ones fall over. Tez blue, we got Hampton, Jersey, Hunter rookie, Jenkins rookie, Ward rookie, Robbie silver, Dart blue, best tutties. I don't know what the odds are. I'll have to look up that one for the insert. Bryant blue, Sawyer blue, Cam Ward jersey on the threads, Steven Jackson, Miller, Genty, Warren, and Ted. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment. What was your favorite card? Like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.